Hi and welcome everyone, Daniela here, and today I want to show you my latest layout created with the gorgeous March kits. I worked with the embellishments, the papers and also the cardstock kit, and I also used this pretty metal die and the powders and the stencil from the color kit. So first of all, I wanted to create a nice background, so I worked with the orange and pink powders from the color kit, and you just mix the powders with some water, and then you get beautiful watercolors, and the colors are really intense, so it's nice for adding color spots to your projects. And this pink is so pretty, and I also like the combination of orange and pink, so you see that I just mix it here and there. We have orange and pink spots here, and they mix quite well. I also wanted to have something like a triangle here, so I have three big spots using the color, and then I just added some more here and there so that I have a nice background. And that's a really quick and easy way to do this. And you see that the colors are really pretty, so I can just recommend getting those powders. They are just great. Okay, then I have chosen my three favorite products from the kits. I have chosen the floral die cuts, the layered foam stickers and the cardstock ephemera, and you will see that I use those to embellish my layout later. But first of all, I wanted to use this die cut to have a nice border on one side of my page, and I cut it apart. So first of all, I wanted to use these scallops in another color than the other part of the border, and I want to fill the blanks with a pink paper stripe. So I'm working with three different pieces of cardstock here, and I place those die cut pieces here on top of the pink stripe, and then I add those scallops under the green ones, so that I have a nice border here. And there will be a big embellishment cluster on the right hand side later, so this is the big embellishment here on the left hand side. So this way I have created something like a balance, but you will see that later. Well, this die offers so many different possibilities. You can do some hand stitching, or you can just create a big background by using those. I can think of so many different possibilities here. And so this is just the basis or the basic structure of my page. So I have two pictures and this big border element on the left hand side, and now I want to use some embellishments. So this beautiful card is taken from the ephemera pack, and now I'm working with those floral die cuts, and I want to create two clusters here. A big one on the right hand side and a smaller one on the left hand side, because there we already have this big border element. And you see that I am not using any paper on this page, so it's just about a mixed media background and then all those pretty embellishments I'm going for, and the cardstock border. And sometimes this is a fun way to create a nice page, because working with die cut elements and yeah, embellishments is so much fun, and it's also kind of easy because you don't have to cut up anything or measure anything. It's just placing and spreading them all over the page. So you see that I add several pieces from the floral die cut pack here to have a big cluster. So we have some leaves and branches, and then two of those big flower elements, and I also added this little circle and then some of the hearts from the ephemera kit pack, not kit, and yeah, this way I have some dimension, and it's not all flat, but we have different layers, and that is something that I like a lot. All right, so this is all about the flowers. Now I can grab some more embellishments. I really want to use this banner, and I want to have a big title. And as you can see, I cut apart the single words from yeah, the foam stickers, and this way I can see what it would look like before adhering them to the project, because whenever you adhere those stickers to pictures, you can't just rearrange them. So just cut it apart, place it, and see if it yeah, looks good, or if you need to think of something else. And this way I do most of my pages. Okay, so I also want to add another border, and then this cute little dog, because yeah, the pictures are also about our dog. And yeah, I also like combining those different materials. We have those foam stickers, then we have the color in the background, and of course all the paper pieces from the die cuts. And now I just want to add some journaling on the mixed media background, and then I also have to add the date stamp afterwards. And yeah, this is what my layout basically looks like. First of all, I thought that I might need something else here behind the banner. So I wanted to use 3D pads so that I have more dimension, and yeah, the banner stands out a bit, and that is what I did actually. But then I thought maybe I need some more flowers, because yeah, I felt that we see a lot of color here on top of the page, but yeah, then I just tried bigger flowers, and yeah, didn't feel confident with the results. So then in the end I've just chosen two smaller ones, and I'm quite happy with the way it turned out then in the end. Okay, so we also have this cute little bow on the puffy stickers, and I added this one to the die cut, and yeah, I think it's kind of cute, and in the end, this is what my page turned out like. Well, I hope you like my way of using these products, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. And yeah, now it's time to say goodbye, and I hope you're having fun using your kits. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.